I did compete in sound quality at Slam this year. I did. It was a good time.
How'd you do?
I won my class. My truck is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It can always be better.
I like how we're like, he's like, he says it so like nonchalantly. Yeah, I competed. So how'd you do? Oh, I won. Like,
oh, well, I mean, I'm
hello. You're on the show, aren't you?
Yeah. What is it? They call the hedonic adaptation. You become accustomed to your normal. I've been very fortunate that my friends in sound quality, who have my mentors who teach me everything and help me learn, are some of the best to do it. So I'm always comparing where my vehicle is to theirs. So I'm like, man, my truck just isn't quite to where Jeffrey's is, or Chris Pate's, or like it's not there yet.
Who's out here dropping the big psychology terms? What'd you call it? Hedonic what?
Hedonic adaptation. Yes, it's like
awesome.
How rich people always want more money because they get rich and then they get used to being rich. Like, okay, well that's normal now.
Let
me go make more money.
Poor. That explains things.